part 2. First, I'll wake up. Who do you think should I wake up first? Jessie or Caitlin? Yeah, maybe Jessie. Well, if you pick Caitlin, no. Jessie first. Jessie. Jessie, it's time to wake up. Again? What now? Miss Kimmy is looking for you. Even Caitlin, I'll wake her up. Caitlin. Yes. Come down. Miss Kimmy's looking for you. Oh. Let's go. I'm sorry we're late. Oh, thank you, Rachel. Now, well, it's time for all of us to go because 2 weeks is done. Aww. That's okay, everybody. Besides, it's not really that important. Looks like it's important to us. Yep. You know, it's not really bad, but we sure do miss our relatives, right? Yes, especially me. My mom and dad passed away, okay? Listen, I'm just 22 years old. You see? Now pack up your stuff. I'll pack up. Come on, Jessie. So you really think we should go? Well, that's the plan. 2 weeks is done. Well, I will sure miss this place. And like, it's almost mean to me. Totally, it's like your second home. Well, for me, it is a second home. Wait a second. Well, for real life, I will never forget this place. You sure won't, huh? Yes. And yeah. Never. You better be going. I know. Wait, can you get my bag? It's color blue with flowers and a lock. There. Thanks. Can you care for me? Sure, no problem. 5 minutes later. But what will happen? I know. Well, everybody, it's time for us to say goodbye. We better wait for the bus here. Ten minutes later. Beep, 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 beep. That's the bus, everybody. Ow! Anyway. Okay, kids, let's go. No time to waste. This bag is huge and I guess humongous. Okay, everybody, get on, because first stop is Caitlin. Yes. Wait for me, Caitlin. Come on, bro. Don't be such a slow poke. Shh. Beep, 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 beep. "20 minutes later. Beep, beep, beep. We're here. Bye, Caitlin. Bye, Caitlin. Bye, Caitlin. Bye, everybody. Things. Wait. Did you hear that? No. OMG. Hi, Caitlin! We missed you so much. How's your summer camp? It's okay. Made the desk, the books, pick it up, and my big bag. Oh, we'll see what? Charlie, pack up my stuff and I'll go to my room. I miss my room so much. Well, we cleaned it up just for you, hon. Just for you. No one else. No one else. Thanks, Charlie. You're welcome. Watch part 3.